Mga babies, good morning. We are here ngayon sa school. Kakatapos na natin kumain. Wait. Alam nyo kung anong oras na ngayon? It's 11 AM. Hopefully, hindi makita ng prof namin to. Babasa na lang ulit tayo ng libro. Pa 70 pages na tayo. Today mga babies, magre-refuel tayo ng aircraft. Ako dito sa kabilang side. Professional refueler. Maaaring may ginagawa talaga tayo. Joke lang pala. Another quote na gusto ko i-share sa inyo guys, na nabasa ko dito sa meditations. Especially para dun sa mga tao guys na gustong mag-start ng isang bagay. Pero, iniisip palagi nila kung ano yung sasabihin ng ibang tao. Sabi ni Marcus Aurelius, the tranquility that comes when you stop caring what they say, or think, or do. Only what you do. The point is, you shouldn't care about other people's opinion. What matters is your opinion. For example, may gusto kong gawin. Let's say, gusto mo din mag-start ng vlog, katulad ko. Kung nahihiya ka magsimula because iniisip mo na i-judge ka na ibang tao, uy, ang cringe mo. But in reality, wala naman talagang pakialam sa'yo yung mga tao. Kasi ang mali din sa atin minsan, we have this mindset na parang palagi tayong spotlight ng ibang tao. Na parang tayo palagi yung pag-uusapan nila. Pero in reality, we have our own lives to think about. Maybe may masasabi sila sa'yo at the moment, pero after that, wala na. And it's your choice whether sila yung paniniwalaan mo or yung sarili mo. So I hope that made sense. Kaya again, kung may gusto kong simulan isang bagay, simulan mo na.
Do more exploring, deeper than knowing just what is essential for life that is thriving. Go deep, mute out the chatter, feel it burn up.
Hi mga babies. So this is our current setup. Park na pala yan? Uwi na, gagi. Babano pa rin talaga ako kapag tatapatan to ng araw kasi nagbabago yung kulay. Pinag-iisipan ko din bumili nung shades talaga. Mas tinted kasi yun eh. Let's go! Uwi na!
Thought that I'd be healing now. I didn't think I'd have to feel this now. I thought I would've moved on, but somehow the feeling's still strong. Like I'll be on my way out, thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck.
Update mga babies, kakatapos na natin mag-workout. Bibili ng ulam. Titingin pa kami ni Waki ng mabibili yung pagkain. But anyway, yun na siguro for today's vlog and see you na lang bukas. Okay, bye-bye.